What is spirituality? In spirituality or spiritual journey, there are several steps: awakening, enlightenment, compassion, forgiveness, joy, gratitude, karma, inner peace. Awakening. A spiritual awakening is an altered state of perception. It is a knowing beyond knowledge. Reality has changed for the person who experiences an awakening. In short, a spiritual awakening is allowing yourself to be open and inviting the living Spirit of God and the love of God to enter your heart. Enlightenment. Enlightenment is the full ability to understand a situation. An enlightened being is deeply at peace with themselves and everyone in life, exactly the way it is. To start becoming more enlightened, practice relaxing into this moment completely and feel the God source is naturally within you. Compassion. If someone shows kindness, caring, and willingness to help others, they are showing compassion. This is a word for a very positive emotion that has to do with being thoughtful and decent. When you feel compassion for someone, you really want to help out. Our ability to take the perspective of and feel the emotions of another person. Compassion is when those feelings and thoughts include the desire to help. Forgiveness. To forgive someone and to ask for forgiveness are the most important aspects for your spiritual growth. It is an emotion which is felt deep within you, and when real forgiveness happens, there is a change in that relationship. Forgiveness is important to achieve the inner peace that allows spiritual enlightenment. Joy. A joyful life supports good health. Being joyful is about inspiration, passion, and motivation. It is about setting goals and taking time out to do the things you really enjoy doing. Gratitude. Gratitude is a gift, and gratitude changes everything. When we allow ourselves to look critically at our life through the lenses of gratitude and to focus on the many reasons we have to be grateful, life gets better. A focus on gratitude reduces stress and increases levels of satisfaction. It is truly life-changing experience. In a short time, your entire being will be saturated with it and you will experience a happiness that is beyond what you can imagine. Karma. Karma means action, work, or deed. It also refers to the spiritual principle of cause and effect, where intent and actions of an individual means cause, influence the future of that individual, that is effect. Good intent and good deeds contribute to good karma and happier rebirths, while bad intent and bad deeds contribute to bad karma and bad rebirths. That's why it say that what goes around comes around. Keep your circle positive, say good words, think good thoughts, do good deeds. Inner peace. Inner peace refers to a state of being mentally and spiritually at peace, with enough knowledge and understanding to keep oneself strong in the face of discord or stress. It is important not only while things move smoothly, but especially in times of trouble, difficulties, or danger. Then it counts most. A state of inner peace eliminates anxieties, fears, and worries. It also removes negative thoughts, stress, lack of satisfaction, and unhappiness. While awakening brings spiritual enlightenment with compassion, it is an essential to practice forgiveness, to live life with joy and gratitude, and complete your karma or learning will ultimately give you inner peace. This is called the spirituality or spiritual journey. Like and share, subscribe our YouTube channel Divine Creation. Stay connected with us.